Hello and welcome to this video in which I will be showing you how to install CMAX software from Axxess Identification. I'd like to direct you to our Axxess Identification website www.axxessid.com. Here you can find useful information on our products, also resources and document store. Coming over to document store, you can go into software documents, and here you can download useful PDFs for such subjects as PC specifications, how to unzip downloaded software, installing and upgrading AX software, among other things. If you go to products and software modules, you can find all the functions available on the different software versions. To download the software, simply come up to Resources, Software Center, CMAX Software, and Download. Click on the download button, and this will begin the process down here. You can see the process beginning. Now, I have already downloaded this software for the purpose of this video, and we can see here where the zipped folder has been downloaded onto my desktop. It is important that you do not attempt to install the software directly from the zipped folder. You must extract that to another location on your PC. In my case, I've extracted it to my desktop here. You can do this simply by right-clicking over and going to Extract All. So once it's extracted, go into the folder, double-click on Setup, and it is now preparing to install. Simply click on Next, agree to the license agreement, and begin the install process. Now this will just take a few moments, so just while we're waiting there, again I'd like to remind you to come to the Axxess Identification website, or equally you can contact our tech support team if you require any assistance with the software. But as you'll see, in terms of the install process, it's a very simple process. So, nearly completed now the installation. We should see the icon appearing in a moment. There we go, there's the CMAX icon. Setup has successfully installed CMAX. Double click on the CMAX icon. First time you actually start this software, you'll be brought to the licensing page. Here you will determine whether you're using limited version, trial version, or activate with a key. For the purposes of this video, I'll be showing you activating it with a key. So you'll have received an email from us in which you can copy the key from that, go into activate, and simply paste that in. Key activated successfully. This will bring you to the login page. You can use the default details here, username 1, password 1. This is shown up in the top left hand corner as well, the default details. Click OK and start the CMAX software there. You can just see it initializing at the moment, and that is how easy it is to do. One of the other couple of functions I'll show you there, if I go into device management, we can come to device manager and we can see the PC server setup. You can simply click on this one, go to the top, and to get the server PC IP address, simply click on and locate the correct IP address. It is important that it is a fixed IP address. You may need to speak to the relevant IT team about this to ensure that it is a fixed IP address that they're giving to you. In a further video, we'll be talking about this, how it works in conjunction with the AX300 controller. So there we go, server IP address on a LAN network. And you can see how it's changed to green now. So the last function I'd like to show you here is under Help, About, and this is a very useful page here in case you're ever speaking to our tech support team. They may request this information from you, so that's how you can find that. But there you go, that's how simple it is. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for your time. Goodbye.